how to change TikTok notification sound. So what you're gonna do is you wanna go here to your settings immediately because you cannot change your notification to your TikTok application. So you want to go here to settings. Now, let me just put it out there. There is only specific phones that has the ability to change their specific notifications or their notifications to TikTok. So for our iPhones, they cannot actually change their notification or they cannot customize their notification to the whole phone notification. But for Android, such as this one, as you can see here, you want to go here to your settings and go to your applications. Now go here to apps and tap on manage apps. Now under manage apps, you may want to go here and search for TikTok. Now under there, you will have to click on notifications here, and as you can see, there are a lot of options, and here you will see under the notification categories, you will see comments, likes, videos from accounts that you follow, so on and so forth. You may want to go here. As you can see, you will see show notifications, allow floating notifications, sound, vibration, and on the lock screen. So you click on sound since we want to change our TikTok notification sound. So click on that. And then here you will be led to your ringtone. Choose the ringtone here that you want to change it with. And then tap on apply and tap on OK. And now you have successfully changed your TikTok notification sound, and basically, that is it. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.